What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T, and I already started my day, y'all. It is Sunday. Today there's a promo, 6 batches, a guarantee $82. Definitely gonna try to shoot for that. So my first order was for $55. It was 2 customers. I believe it was 27 or 28 items. I found all the items. Didn't need to make any replacements. I was in and out. There was no line. It was great. It was beautiful. But then I see this in the customer's notes, which honestly I can be honest, I did not go and look through the batch details today. I didn't. I don't know why, but I didn't. This lady is asking me to wear gloves. I wear a mask, but I don't have no gloves. Like, I don't work in a restaurant. What is wrong with you people? Don't require me to wear something that you're not going to pay for. Okay, so I don't really know how this is going to go or what's going to happen with this. My phone just overheated. But this lady about to be mad. She about to be real upset. I think what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to put all the items on her porch or whatever first. And then I'm going to, like, you get what I'm saying? Then I'm going to, like, say something or text her or whatever. But I'm not, like, I don't know. Like, for real, like, I really don't know. Like, I don't got no gloves. And I feel like, you know, when they be being specific like that, you feel what I'm saying? Them, like, if you don't follow their instructions, they take the tip away, or they decrease the tip, or you get a low rating or whatever because you didn't follow instructions. Like, don't nobody got time for that. Yo, if that's the case, you need to go and do your own shopping. Like, maybe it is somebody that could be possibly elderly or very sickly or whatever the case might be. But all of us don't run around here with no gloves. I know I don't. I don't wear gloves. I don't like gloves, okay? I used to clean for years. And I wore gloves so much that I don't like them. Like, for real. And I'm not shopping with them. I'm not shopping with them. This person just got to be upset. So let's see how this goes. If there's a way I can record it, I will. But let's just see how this goes, okay? Like, yeah, let's just see how this goes, y'all. Alright, guys, so I dropped off the customer A, the lady that wanted me to wear the gloves. And I did text her. And she came outside. She stayed outside the whole entire time. And since she was outside and she did seem very friendly, I just told her, hey, I apologize about the gloves. Instacart doesn't allow, you know, they don't require us to wear gloves, so I don't have any. And she was like, oh, it's okay, it's okay. And she just talked to me the whole entire time. So she was a really, really nice lady. So now I'm really not, like, worried about it. But it's, you know what, I think what's going on here, sorry for the bumpy, but I think what's going on here is that maybe they had these messages inside of their, you know, their, like, the messages they leave for us. Maybe they just had it there ever since COVID and never took it down, because she ain't even have no mask on. So she ain't even seem like she was like one of the people that be like super protective and got like 5 masks on and gloves up to the elbow. Like, nah, she wasn't like that. She ain't had no mask on, nothing. She ain't even had no gloves on, you feel me? So it is what it is. But anyway, now I'm off to customer B. Customer B is 7 minutes away from customer A. It's also leading me back in the area where the Costco is that I just left. So I might go back there. I usually don't hit up this Costco twice. Ever since the summertime came, I usually don't hit this Costco up more than one time. But since I'm over here, I think what I'm going to do is just see if I see any orders on the screen for Costco. Might ride by it. If I don't get anything, then I will either head to the other Costco or near the ShopRite area. So let's see what happens after I get to customer B, y'all. Alright, guys, so after I did that order, I went to the Costco. I didn't see any orders that I wanted to take there, so then I started driving towards my area I'm usually at, and then I seen an order. I think it's either y'all, 44 or 54. I'm not sure. I got confused. I think it's $44. But look, it's 2 stores. One is at Walgreens and one is at Aldi's. Now, it is a lot of items. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think it's like 60 something items. But the Walgreens order is about 15 of the items, and then we're gonna go over to Aldi. All right, so hopefully like this won't be a disaster. I don't think it will though, only because if I'm doing a whole bunch of items and it's for one customer, I should be fine, especially at Aldi, you know what I mean? But we're gonna see. I just feel like I should be okay. I looked at all the items, it doesn't look that bad. So let's go into the Walgreens, knock this one out. We know this is gonna be the easiest one because it's Walgreens, and then we'll go over to Aldi. So let's go, y'all. Alright, yeah, so that order took me 20 minutes because the customer needed a lot of replacements. And you know what's crazy? This customer went grocery shopping in Walgreens, and y'all know Walgreens is mad expensive. Like, first of all the stores is expensive because of inflation, but Walgreens has always been expensive. I never go like to get too many items out of a Walgreens. To be honest, I only go to Walgreens for a prescription whenever I need one, which is rare. You know what I mean? But Walgreens is just expensive. And their cashiers, I don't know why, but it's like they just take forever. Like, these cashiers be taking forever in Walgreens. So it took me like 20 minutes. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is head to the Aldi's. And I just looked through the customer B's list for Aldi or whatever. They do want 54 items. And they're getting items that I've never even seen in Aldi before. They want a blender. I didn't even know Aldi sell blenders. Like, anyway, it is what it is. Hopefully they have this blender. We will see. And hopefully all of this stuff is going to fit in their carts, okay? I think what I'm going to do with this order, since they want a blender, and it's a couple of other household things that they want that I've never seen in Aldi's before, I'm probably going to get that out the way first and then do the food, because I know where everything is with the food. So I think I'm going to get that household situation situated, and then I'm going to get to the food. Now, here's the crazy thing. So both of the customers are actually back there by the Walgreens. And only thing I don't like about Instacart, like, I know on Doordash, you could, like, switch on who you want to work on first and everything like that. Instacart, they don't let you do that. Because I would have just dropped this order that I just did. I would have just took that to customer A, because the Walgreens is right by her house, y'all. Like, it's right by her house. But whatever. So let me get this out the way and get this done, so that way we can move on to our next order. This is order number 2. I still got 4 more, and it's $12.48, y'all. Okay, so I'm probably not even gonna be done with this order until almost after 1:30. Probably like after 1:30, depending on how long it takes me to actually do the order, and then driving all the way back here. It might be like 2 o'clock. But anyway, let's get this order done, y'all. I'm gonna stay positive today. I'm gonna be a good girl today. I ain't gonna do too much complaining, or whatever the case may be. Well, matter of fact, I am. If I feel like complaining, I'm a freaking complain. How about that? And the reason why I said that is because I had a commenter comment under one of my videos and talking about me complaining. I only just sent her the little laughing emojis, but whatever. But yeah, if I'm gonna complain in my video, I'm gonna complain in my video. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Ha ha. Y'all, that order was in the way. Like, it was like the customer needed mad replacements, And she, like, you know, I was able to replace about, I'll say like 10 of her items. But then the last 5 items, I couldn't find them. I didn't feel like it was another replacement. And on top of that, let me tell y'all right now, I'm the type of shopper that if I text you and I only got like 2 more items left or 1 more item left, you know what I mean? And I text you and I tell you it's not available and I'm asking you if you want a replacement, you got about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to respond back to me, and I'm issuing you a refund and I am checking out. And that's what I did to this customer. They didn't have no adequate replacements for her. She didn't text me back immediately. I refunded her and I went to checkout. Then she texts me while I'm in checkout, because I know in the chat it tells you the customer that they can no longer make changes to this order. It tells them that in the chat or whatever. But I was just so ready to just get up out of there. But anyway, she texts me, she tell me, oh, did they have like another brand or whatever? And I was just telling her no, there were no adequate replacements or whatever. She sent me the emoji like this. Okay, whatever. I wasn't going back. Listen, it's too much stuff. Like, I didn't even know Audi sold fans and blenders, and it's just too much. She wanted home decor and all of that, and it's like, okay, I get it, you know, but I think it was just a bit much, though, especially it gave me like Walmart vibes. Like, I didn't go into Audi. I never go to Audi and have to get home decor. Anyway, whatever. So we headed to the first customer. Mind you, the first customer A, ended up texting me and telling me, oh, if you wanted to, you could drop it off now. And I was like, okay, thank you for the heads up. Thank you for letting me know. But I couldn't drop it off now. So now I'm headed to her. So let me drop these items off to her. And then from there, drop it off to customer B. Another thing, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hit the promo today. I don't know. Hopefully I will. My daughter went to a sleepover, a slumber party with her cousins or whatever. And they are about 20 to 30 minutes away. And slumber party's over. My aunt is like, come get your kids. Come get your kid. All the kids got to leave at a certain time. So I'm like, all right, I got to go get back to my daughter. So it's 2 o'clock, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit in another order. Maybe I'll try to like fit in another order. Maybe I can find an order that's taking me in that direction. That'd be perfect. But yeah, or I might just come get her butt early. That's what I might do. So yeah, y'all, let me drop this off to the customer so I can figure out exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, so the last delivery went by smooth. No issues with the customer. Everything was cool. I waited for about 20 minutes, didn't get another order, and then I said, yo, let me go get my daughter. So I got my daughter from the sleepover. By the time I got back home, while keeping Instacart still open, I didn't feel like it was worth going back out. I wasn't seeing orders, you know what I mean? And I was just like, yo, I'm just going to stay in the house. So that is what I did. So I am going to go over my totals with you guys. I didn't hit the promo, but it is what it is. All right, so my totals for the day is $98.40. I didn't do any food deliveries at all. It was strictly Instacart. So that's my totals. Now I do want to chop it up with y'all real quick, see what y'all views are on this certain topic. So we all know Instacart has been very, very slow lately, and 9 times out of 10 it is because of the summer. But one thing that's been going through my mind, and one thing that I am starting to prepare myself for now, is what happens with Instacart when they announce that we are officially in a recession. I know we are in a recession. You guys probably know we're in a recession. But when they come out and physically say we're in a recession, it's all chaos. You know what I mean? And I just want to know, what do you guys think is going to happen with Instacart when they announce that? Because so far what they've been saying is, yeah, technically 2 quarters is a recession. 2 negative quarters means we're in a recession, but we're really not in a recession. That's basically what they were saying. You know what I mean? But it's like, yo, we're in a recession and y'all going to have to announce that. You know what I mean? And I've been hearing that they're probably going to announce it in Q4. I don't know. But I want to know what is going to happen to Instacart when we go into that recession, because it's like in a recession, people lose jobs, they lose houses, you get what I'm saying, and things like that. And I'm thinking of the customers. So I feel like, you know, we'll always have the customers that are disabled or they don't have a car, you know what I mean, and they use Instacart. We're always going to have people that are wealthy or have money and they like to save their time, so they use Instacart. But what about all the other people that may not necessarily have to use Instacart, right? What's going to happen to them? Are a lot of them going to say, hey, I need to save money, so maybe I don't use Instacart as much anymore? Or would they still be here? Like, that's really where my mind is with it. Like, I'm just sitting there thinking about it like, yo, this thing could go either way. And I haven't seen a video about doing Instacart through a recession. I've seen a video about doing Instacart in a pandemic, but that's two different things, you know what I mean? So I want to get y'all thoughts on it. Let me know what, like, where y'all mind is with it. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Me personally, I'm starting to really like be open-minded and really preparing myself for the worst, and really starting to look for like other opportunities. I'm still gonna do Instacart, like Instacart, Doordash, Uber Eats. I'm still going to be doing them, you know what I mean? And now it's my full-time thing. Like, this is what I do. But I'm really thinking more from an aspect of taking care of my kids, you know? So let me know what y'all think about that. And yeah, let me know into this video, y'all. So that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, give me a like. If you don't like the video, give me a dislike. It is what it is. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.